Yes, guys, this is the biggest candle I could buy. And how do you think? Can a glowing metal ball melt down this candle? Let's find it out. Personally, I hope it can. The ball is ready, and it's just beautiful. Well, let's do it. Holy, I think I just lit the candle with this hot ball. But what I did not think about, it's about the wax, about these petals of wax all around here. Oh man. I really need to clean everything up here while the wax is liquid. And what the? I'm fine. So let's try again and repair the candle a little. Looks reliable now. And the second attempt. Well, this time the ball went deeper into the candle, but still did not go right through. Guys, what do you think? Another attempt? Well, the last attempt, and I will let this candle free. Really, I will. Oh man, very little left after all. But oh well, I promised. So, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. Did you think I would leave it like that? Now that's it. And guys, remember that I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts.